up, everyone? Welcome to another video produced by the applifestyle.org, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hands. And in this video, we'll be going over a tutorial of the getupside app. This is not to be confused with the Upside app review. If you want to see that, you want to click in the card in the right hand corner. This tutorial will go into the nuts and bolts on how to use the app, how does it function, what do certain buttons do, and also how you can get your cash back. If at any point in the tutorial you'd like to download the getupside app, you can click in the top right hand corner, or you can click in the description below. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link and it goes towards supporting the channel, and it will also give you a bigger cashback reward on your first claim. So without further ado, let's get forward into the tutorial. Once you open the app, you'll see a list of gas stations that have current deals. All you need to do is drive to one of them and you can claim that deal. Once you arrive at the gas station of your choice, you click the claim button. From here, it will ask you to upload a receipt from the gas amount that you've done. So let's go get some gas. Once you're finished pumping your gas, you'll have a receipt you can upload. Click on Upload Receipt. From here, you want to click on Take Picture. You'll then be taken to a screen that allows you to take a picture of your receipt. You want to make sure that you take a full picture of your receipt and make it as clear as possible. The app will then ask you to confirm if all the information it needs is on the screen. Once that's confirmed, click on Upload. After this, the receipt has been submitted and you'll get credit via cashback between a few hours and 2 days. Generally speaking, in most cases, I receive my cash back within the next 2 to 4 hours. And there you have it. You now know how to get cash back with the getupside app. It's also important to note that you can invite your friends or family to use the service as well. And doing so will get you credit. Click on the bars in the top left hand corner and click on Invite Friends. From here, it gives you an option to share your code. If anyone signs up using your code, both you and the person you're referring will get bonus cashback. In addition to that, you will also get 1 cent per gallon pumped from the person you referred for the duration of the time they decide to use the app, which is pretty awesome. Anytime you're ready to cash out your money, you click on the balance in the top right hand corner. From there, you can choose whether you want that money in the form of a gift card, sent through PayPal, or if you want them to mail you a check. And that's the App Lifestyles tutorial of the getupside app. It's definitely an app that can benefit rideshare and delivery drivers, but truth be told, anyone who drives around a lot or just drives in general can definitely benefit from this app, whether it be the referral program or the direct cashback opportunities. As mentioned before, if you do want to download the app with that bonus, you can click in the top right hand corner or click on the link in the description below. That does it for this video. If y'all have any other questions or concerns or comments, feel free to leave them below. If you found value in this video, a like, share, and subscribe is greatly appreciated, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.